I just asked ChatGPT, "Hey friend, can you help me to build an online business that can help me to earn $1,000 per day?"
Yes, absolutely. I'd be happy to help you with that. Let's dive into the details and figure out the best approach.
I want to build a digital product which I'm going to be using Quora to promote. Can you guide me on how I will be able to make money on Quora by using Semrush?
Of course, here's a step-by-step guide to help you leverage Quora and Semrush for your digital product. 1, identify your niche and keywords. Use Semrush to find keywords and topics that are highly searched on Quora.
Just search for Semrush on Google. Once search for Semrush, you just need to allow it to load. This is the website which we are going to be using to actually make our keyword research, just as ChatGPT has actually suggested. Okay, we are going to enter any keyword right now. Just enter any keyword on the topic which you want to write on. As for me, I want to create a digital product on online business that actually pays. Okay, I just want to go on right now and search for it. Once I click on search for it right now, and I just need to allow it to load, you can see the purpose of entering this particular keyword is actually to help us to be able to discover keyword which people are actually searching for in any region. Okay, I want to target Nigeria. You can see this is Nigeria. I just want to click on Nigeria right now. Okay, you just need to choose the country which you want to target. Okay, I'm targeting Nigeria right now. You can see I just selected Nigeria. You can see it right there. And this keyword, you can see the keyword difficult. It is actually easy to rank for this particular keyword right now, which is the reason why I actually picked this particular topic. Okay, you can see it right there. If you come to trend, you can see the keyword trend right now. Okay, for this particular keyword will be helping me to actually earn $0.15 per each click. For each click I get for this particular keyword, I'll be able to earn $0.15. Okay, you can see it right there. And all I do, if I scroll down right now to this particular section right now, once I come to this particular section right now and I click, or let me go for this particular one right now. Okay, let's click on this first keyword. Let's see some related keyword on this. Okay, once we come to this particular section right now, you'll be able to see that this particular keyword will actually help us to earn $0.16 per click. For each person that click on this particular keyword, we are going to earn $0.16, and I think this particular one can actually help us to actually achieve our $1,000 goals. Okay, all we just need to do right now is to actually build our digital product. After discovering that a lot of people from Africa, which is Nigeria, is actually searching for this particular keyword, we are going to create our digital product surrounding this particular topic. Okay, and if you want to target UK, you want to select UK. If you want to target any country of your choice, but as for me, I'm targeting Nigeria. Okay, you can enter any keyword right there to be able to discover if people are actually searching for the keyword or not. After that, all you just need to do is to come to this particular website known as Gamma. Search for Gamma on Google. Once you search for Gamma, scroll down right now to this particular section right now. Okay, scroll down and click on Gamma right now. You will see Gamma app. This is the website which we are going to be using to actually create our digital product, which we are going to be marketing using Quora. Okay, it is actually easy to start. Okay, the next thing we need to do right now is to actually click on create new. Once you click on create new right now, you just need to allow it to load. Immediately after loading, the next thing we need to do right now is to actually click on generate. Once you click on this generate right now, you allow it to load. All you just need to do right now is to click on choose presentation. After choosing presentation, you can choose the number of card which you prefer. I'm going to be making use of 5. Choose card and choose the type of English which you want to make use of, the language which you want to make use of. But as for me, I'm making use of English UK. Okay, you can make use of French or any language of your choice. After that, the next thing we need to do right now is to describe what you like to make. You are the one that will describe the type of digital product which you want to create right here, and this particular platform will actually help you to create that using this particular AI. Okay, all we just need to do right now is to actually enter our keyword right there which we have discovered using Semrush. Okay, you can see the next thing we need to do right now is to click on outline, generate outline. Okay, this will actually help us to generate 5 outline. If you select 10 right here, it will help you to generate 10 outline. And if you want to create a digital product about web page, you can click on this web page right there. And if you want to create a digital product on social media, click on social. But if you want to create a digital product in document form, click on this document. But I want to create my own digital product in presentation form. I click on this generate outline right now. Once I click on this generate outline right now, this particular AI will actually help me to actually generate the AI which I'm going to be making use of the outline which I'm going to be making use of in creating my digital product. Okay, our outline is actually ready right now. You can see this is actually 5 outline, and the first outline is the online business that pays, your path to profit. The second one is unlock the digital gold mine, identify high potential niche. You can see these are the outline of our digital product which we are creating right now. The next thing we need to do is to actually scroll down right now to this section right now and click on select minima. Select minima. Once you select minima, this is the image which you want to use in your digital product. Select the type of image. If you want it in this format or in this format, but I'm going for this illustration format. Okay, you can see I've already chosen this particular one. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you need to allow it to load. Immediately after loading, the next thing we need to do is to actually select how we want our product to actually look like. That is what we are going to be selecting in this particular section right now. All we just need to do is to actually go on right now. Okay, let me go back right now and select this particular one. Okay, I'm going for this. I prefer this. Click on generate. Once you click on generate, you just need to allow it to load. This particular AI is helping us to actually help us to code our digital product right now, which we are going to be using Quora to actually market it. Watch closely, guys, on how we are going to be using this product to actually earn money. Okay, all we don't need to do is, you can see this AI is actually helping us to actually code our product right now. You can see our product is finally ready right now. You can see how Gamma has finished generating our product. The next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now after checking and making sure that our product is actually clear the way we want it. The next thing we need to do is to click on this section right now. Once we click on this section right now, click on export. Once you click on export, go on right now and export this particular and save this particular product to your mobile phone, which I'm going to be sharing with you, where you are going to be uploading it to start earning. Before you start marketing your digital product, you need to host it online for free on this digital hosting platform known as Selar. This particular platform will actually help us to actually save or host our digital product on this particular section right now. All we need to do is to click on Selar. Okay, this platform is where you can host your digital product and you will see other people marketing it also for you also, and you will also be earning, and those people that are also marketing it for you will also be earning some affiliate commission, and you as the owner of the product can also be marketing your own product also and be earning your free money on this particular platform. And I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to market this particular product which you uploaded on Selar using Quora. Okay, all we don't need to do right now is to click on start selling with Selar. Okay, once you click on start selling with Selar, you just want to go on right now and enter your full name, your name right here, enter your last name right here, enter your active email address right here, enter your strong security password right here. After entering your password, confirm the password, agree with the terms and conditions, and click on create account. After you have successfully registered on Selar, the next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now and click on add product. Click on add product right now. Once you click on add product, once this particular interface show, all you don't need to do is to actually add your country right here. After adding your country, select the bank which you want to make use of to actually receive your payment. Okay, select any bank right here, but as for me, I'm making use of Access Bank. Okay, after entering your bank right here, go on right now and add your bank account right here. After adding your bank account, click on verify account details, and you'll be able to verify your account details on this particular platform right now. After your account verification, the next thing you need to do right now is, you can see this is where you're going to see your payout. If you click on this wallet payout right now, once you click on this wallet payout right now, click on this wallet right now for you to be able to see the amount which you currently have in your balance. Okay, you can see it right there. This is where you're going to see it, because this is actually a new account. There is no fund on this particular account. Okay, and to withdraw your earning, click on this payout right now. Once you click on this payout right now, this is where you are going to see your earning, where you are going to withdraw your earning, and you can select all currencies. Choose your currency right there. You can see you can just select NGN. You can see this is where you are going to withdraw your earning. Let me share with you how you'll be able to actually promote this particular product for you to be able to earn more with it. The next thing we need to do right now is to come to this particular application known as Quora app, or you can make use of their website also, or you can get this application on Play Store or App Store. Once you visit this particular platform, all you just need to do right now is, this is the platform which you are going to be using to actually market our digital product, which we have actually hosted on Selar. Okay, all we just need to do right now is to actually come to this particular section right now. Okay, click on this search button right now. Once you click on this search button right now, as a new user, this is the strategy you can use to actually attract more people. Okay, go on right now and search for your keyword. search for your keyword which you want to use. The reason why you are searching for the keyword is for you to be able to use it to actually know what people are actually searching for, or what people are actually asking about related to that your keyword. Okay, you can see once you notice that, you just need to go on right now and look for any question that have much views, or any question which you know that people will be interested in. Okay, once you see any of the question, okay, let's look for one of the questions right now. Okay, let's look for, okay, once you come to this is one of the questions. What is an online business that pay quickly? Click on answer. Okay, go on right now, click on answer. Once you click on answer, this is the best strategy and best approach for you to be able to market your product right now. Go on right now and answer this particular question realistically. After answering the question, copy your digital product link from Selar. Once you copy it, come right here and paste it in this particular answer. Paste it at the end of the answer. Answer the question in such a way that you will be able to redirect them to actually go and purchase your product. After reading your answer, you go on right now and click on post. Once you click on post, you'll be able, lots of people will be seeing this particular your product on Quora for free. You are actually doing a free advert on Quora without you spamming Quora, or without you using money to actually fund on any ad account online. Okay, you can go on right now to actually answer a lot of questions today on Quora. Answer a lot of questions today, and you'll be able to see that with this particular strategy, achieving $1,000 will be actually very simple for you. And I believe that this particular strategy will actually help you to actually achieve your aim. And if you have any question based on what I have been sharing with you right here in this particular video, kindly ask me in the comment section of this video. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, so that you'll be able to receive more updates from me. And I will see you in my next video.